In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and pay with Alipay on 1688 app 2025. Step by step. Start by opening the 1688 app and logging in. Head to Woda, which means my account, and make sure your Alipay is already linked. If it isn't, go into Shiji or settings, then tap Zifu Shiji or Alipay. Log into your Alipay account and authorize the connection. Once you complete that, Alipay will be set as your default payment method, so checkout will be smooth. Now search for products using Chinese keywords to see true wholesale listings. For example, try Nuzhuang for women's clothing, Xiezi for shoes, Shouji Peijian for phone accessories, or Gonghan Zhixiao for factory direct. Avoid English listings when possible, because those are often resellers and the prices may not reflect factory rates. If you're unsure about a term, a quick translation check can help you choose better keywords. Before choosing a product, evaluate the supplier carefully. Look for badges such as Shi Li Xiangjia, meaning a verified or powerful seller, and Gonghan, indicating they are a factory. Prefer stores with at least 3 years in operation, strong sales, and at least 20% repeat buyers. Real photo reviews from buyers are especially useful. Be cautious of brand new shops and prices that seem unrealistically low. Always chat with the supplier before you buy. Keep the conversation inside the 1688 app for protection. Confirm the key details by asking 是否支持验货, which means inspection allowed, 是否支持退款, refund supported, and 发货多久, how long until shipping. Clear answers will help you set expectations on quality and lead time. When you're ready, select the product options like color, size, and quantity, then tap Liji Go My, which is buy now. Enter your China warehouse address carefully and review every line of the order to prevent mistakes. At payment, choose Alipay, select your linked payment method, and complete the payment. Alipay uses escrow, which means your money is held safely until you confirm that you've received the goods as expected. The seller will ship to your warehouse, track progress in my orders, and do not confirm receipt yet. Once the warehouse receives the parcel, have the goods inspected, check the quantity, check the quality, and compare items with the listing photos. If there's any issue, open the order, tap Shenqing Tuiquan or Weiquan, meaning refund or dispute, and upload clear evidence to support your claim. Keep everything documented. If everything is correct, go ahead and confirm receipt. Never confirm early. Following these steps will help you buy confidently on 1688 and pay securely.